Hi, I'm Kathy with Level Up RN, and I am so excited to kick off our Nurses Week contest and sweepstakes. So Nurses Week is a big deal here at Level Up RN, and we designed this contest to recognize and celebrate nursing students, practicing nurses, and nursing educators who go above and beyond to lift up those around them. So if you know of a nursing student, nursing educator, or practicing nurse who makes this world a better place, be sure to nominate them. You can submit nominations between May 6th and May 12th, and you can nominate one person per day during that time. At the end of the contest, we will be giving out 3 awards per category of $1,000 each. So we'll be giving 3 awards to nursing students, 3 awards to nursing educators, and 3 awards to practicing nurses. Voting will take place between May 6th and May 17th, and we will announce winners on May 20th. Also during this time, we will be having a sweepstakes. So if you are a nursing student, nursing educator, or practicing nurse, you can enter our sweepstakes between May 6th and May 17th. We will choose one winner at random who will also win $1,000. This year, we are also super excited to be working with a number of fabulous sponsors who also want to acknowledge and reward exceptional nursing students, practicing nurses, and nursing educators. So I want to give a shout out to our gold level sponsors, which include Chamberlain University, My Mastery, Simple Nursing, and Board Vitals. And I also want to give a shout out to our silver level sponsors, which include NurseMates, Picmonic, and the California Nursing Students Association. So thank you so much for sharing our vision and for supporting our contest. I can't wait to see the inspiring stories of people that you nominate as part of this contest.